The Ministry of Health and Wellness is focused on realizing the vision for public health development this fiscal year and onwards. The Public Health Crisis Management Plan, which provided the framework for successful governance of the COVID-19 pandemic, will be strengthened in the event of future occurrence. Measures implemented have been successful in achieving lower COVID-19 spread than initially predicted, and the work continues to get 65% of the Jamaican population vaccinated by March 2022. Work continues this year under the 10-year strategic plan for the renewal and rebuilding of public health in keeping with Vision 2030.
The government committed a significant capital expenditure of between $205 million US and $236 million US over a 5-year period for infrastructure, hospital and health center build-out. 11 of 13 facilities have been designed and are being reviewed now for final approval to move to the next stage for building out.
Maypen, Spanish Town and St. Anne's Bay hospitals, along with the University Hospital of the West Indies, are included on the list for upgrading.
New services are going to be added to the Spanish Town Hospital, including urology, oncology, cardiology, gastroenterology, ophthalmology, and psychiatry.
Design for the St. Anne's Bay Hospital upgrading is to be unveiled in short order.
The new upgrade will include physical and functional reorganization of services, a new outpatient block, expansion of radiology, and a new intensive care unit.
The University Hospital of the West Indies will get a new 6-story, 120,000 square feet medical facility.
The University Hospital, which is our primary tertiary level hospital for teaching and research, serving not just Jamaica but the Caribbean, is going to have a new look in the years to come to benefit the people of Jamaica and the Caribbean.
Work also continues on the rehabilitation of the Cornwall Regional Hospital and construction of the Western Children and Adolescent Hospital in Montego Bay.
We are now entering phase 2B of the project, which will include demolition and structural repairs to floors 1 to 6 and installation of roof on floors 3 to 6. We're also now making preparations, Madam Speaker, to go to the international market for a contractor for the third and final phase to totally rehabilitate and equip all 10 floors of the Cornwall Regional Hospital. We're building out this infrastructure, and these are only but a few. A significant number of infrastructure that are slated under the IDB project. The Greater Portmore Health Centre, St. Jago Health Centre, Old Harbour Health Centre, Maypen, West and East, Brownstown Health Centre, St. Anne's Bay Health Centre, Ocho Rios Health Centre. Madam Speaker, the resources are in place. The designs are almost complete. And in the next year, or certainly during this period, you will see us breaking ground for the renewal of our infrastructure.
Also on the agenda this fiscal year is an $8.5 million investment in a digital integrated health information system. The installation of cloud network computer hardware will start at 3 hospitals and 9 to 12 health centers.
You go to the doctor at a hospital, you came from a clinic, the doctor uploads your information. You don't have to wait 2 hours to go find the paper-based file. It will have your medical history, which medication you are taking, what were your symptoms, how are you being treated, what are you allergic to, if you have x-rays, what those x-rays showed, and the doctor will be able to prescribe, having assessed you in a much more efficient way.
The ministry is also identifying a vendor to gradually roll out home care and telemedicine.
COVID-19 has not only taught us that we cannot take our health for granted, but also how important health financing is to building, sustaining a resilient health ecosystem. It is time we discussed and agreed on how to secure health financing in a sustainable way.
The Health Ministry is also advancing preventative health care, targeting the epidemic of non-communicable or lifestyle diseases.
It is with this in mind, Madam Speaker, that the government is moving to establish baseline information on ingredients in processed foods and will seek to use this information to provide greater consumer awareness. We have commissioned studies on salts, sugars, and trans fats in our foods.
A Better For You menu option is also being rolled out in conjunction with a number of restaurant chains to promote healthy eating. A pilot software application called JA Moves on the Move is also being launched to promote self-monitoring of personal health status. The app will allow individuals to check their blood pressure, blood glucose, weight, and stomach mass, and input that data on their phones. The comprehensive tobacco control legislation is also being finalized as a joint select committee of Parliament continues to examine the bill before it's passed into law. All this forms just some of the wide range of transformational work within the Ministry of Health and Wellness for the 2021-2022 fiscal year and beyond.